Hi, I'm Daniel. Today, I'll take you through a full day in my life as a customer service representative. It's going to be a long day full of calls, challenges, and small victories. Let's start right now.
Good morning. Thank you for calling customer service. This is Daniel. How can I help you today?
Finally, I've been calling for half an hour. My internet is down and I can't get any work done.
I understand how stressful that must be. Let's fix this together.
I need it working now. I can't wait any longer.
I'll do my best to solve it quickly. Please stay on the line. And after a few minutes, the problem was fixed. Your connection should be back now.
Yes, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a great day. Before I could take a breath, the phone rang again. Good morning. This is Daniel. How can I assist you today?
My bill is way too high this month. What's going on here?
Let me review your account. This will only take a moment.
I'm not paying 1 extra cent. Fix this.
I understand. Let's check together. I quickly scanned through the details. There was an error with last month's charges. I've corrected it, and your balance is now updated.
Good. Thank you for sorting that out.
Of course. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all.
Have a nice day. Hello, this is Daniel. How can I help you?
My internet keeps cutting out. I'm so tired of this. Every time you say it's fixed, it stops working again.
I'm really sorry you're dealing with this. Let's try resetting things step by step.
Fine, but if this doesn't work, I'm filing a complaint.
Okay, please check your connection now.
It's working, finally.
I'm glad we solved it. Thank you for your patience.
Yeah, thanks.
2 hours passed. Call after call. No pause, no break. Just voices, questions, problems, and pressure. I took off my headset, rubbed my tired eyes, and stood up. It was time for a quick break. I headed to the small cafeteria on the ground floor. The smell of coffee filled the air. It was warm, rich, and comforting. I grabbed a simple sandwich and a steaming cup of coffee. Then I sat at a quiet table in the corner. The first bite of that sandwich felt like pure energy. The coffee was strong and hot, just what I needed. Around me, other coworkers were sitting at different tables. Some were laughing softly, sharing funny stories from their calls. Others sat in silence, staring at their phones, completely drained. For 10 short minutes, I breathed. I ate slowly, sipped my coffee, and let my body relax. Then I looked at my watch. Break time was over. I stood up, tossed my empty cup in the trash, and walked back to my desk. As I got closer, I could already hear the ringing phones. The sound grew louder with every step. Back to the battlefield. I sat down, put on my headset, and answered another call. Hello, this is Daniel. How can I help you today?
I'm trying to change my plan, but I can't figure it out in the app.
No problem. Open the app now, and I'll guide you.
Okay. Oh, I see it now. Got it.
Perfect. Anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, that's it. Thanks so much.
You're very welcome. Good afternoon. Daniel speaking.
My bill was charged twice. It took 2 payments from my account.
I'm really sorry about that. Let's check your transactions and fix it right away.
Please hurry. I need that money back.
The extra payment has been refunded. You should see it in your account soon.
Thank you. That's a relief.
Hours went by like this. One call after another. Each one different, but somehow all the same. I felt my shoulders tense up. My throat was dry from talking so much. Still, I pushed through. As the sun began to set, I knew my shift was almost over. But there was time for one last call. Good evening. This is Daniel. How can I assist you?
I just wanted to say thank you. Your service has been amazing.
Thank you so much for saying that. It really means a lot. Finally, the end of shift bell rang. I turned off my computer. I took off my headset. I stood up and stretched, my muscles aching. Walking out of the office, I breathed in the cool evening air. The day had been exhausting, but I felt proud. I had helped so many people today. At home, I changed into comfortable clothes. I grabbed a cold glass of water and sat down on the couch. Before I end my day, I want to share something with you. Here's a simple tip for learning English. Listen to the same short English clip 2 or 3 times a day. Do this every day for 1 week. By the end of the week, you'll notice huge progress in your listening and pronunciation. Your confidence will grow. It really works. Give it a try. Now it's time for me to rest. Thanks for spending the day with me. See you next time. Learning common customer service terms is very important. These words will help you understand conversations between agents and customers. They are useful for work, study, and everyday life. Let's go through the most important 10 terms with simple examples. Customer service. Support given to customers before, during, and after using a product or service. Example: good customer service keeps clients happy and loyal. Call center. A place where agents handle incoming and outgoing customer calls. Example: I work at a call center that provides technical support. Agent. A customer service employee who communicates with customers. Example: the agent helped me solve my problem quickly. Hold. When a customer waits on the phone before speaking to an agent. Example: please hold while I check your account details. Escalate. To transfer a difficult issue to a higher-level representative or manager. Example: I will escalate this problem to my supervisor. Complaint. A statement by a customer expressing dissatisfaction. Example: the customer made a complaint about the poor service. Policy. A set of rules or guidelines used by a company. Example: our refund policy allows returns within 30 days. Resolve. To fix a problem or find a solution. Example: we resolved the issue by updating the system. Feedback. Comments from customers about their experience. Example: we appreciate your feedback to improve our services. Satisfaction. The happiness a customer feels when their issue is solved. Example: customer satisfaction is our top priority.